Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nii Aryeetey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online in Ghana. Yeah, you get me right, here in Ghana. Okay, and with this platform you can withdraw your money through mobile money. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how you're going to withdraw your money, and I also show you in this tutorial how to withdraw your money through mobile money. Okay, and with this platform you don't need to invest. Okay, so people nowadays want to make money online and they're not willing to invest. So if you are part of those guys, then this platform works best for you. Okay, so I will leave a link. Okay, I will leave a link in the video description. Okay, so you can also access this site. And please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button so that you will get any update that I upload. Okay, any update. So without wasting much time, okay, I'll show you how you can register for this platform. So first you will need your phone number. Okay, so this is where you will enter your phone number. Okay, just enter mobile. Yeah, that's where you enter your phone number. So your phone number, after you are done entering your phone number, you hit this get code. Okay, you will hit it. So okay, I think I have done a mistake here. Okay, so you hit your get code this side. So you will have to wait for your code to arrive. Yeah, so mine has arrived. Okay, so I'll be entering my code 6. And then you need to enter your password. Okay, after you are done entering your password, you need to click on this select this this button right here, and after that you will click on register. Okay, so register. So as you can see, I'm registered here. I'm registered. Okay, so guys, we are now on the platform and we have successfully registered. Okay, so one will be asking, how can I make money with this platform? You don't have to worry. Okay, I'll be showing you exactly what you have to do, okay, to make money. And don't worry, there's so many ways of making money on this platform, and I can't cover all in this tutorial. Okay, so I will definitely make another separate video about how to make money. Okay, you don't have to worry, I will show you how to make money. Okay, so